Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well and having a great week. So today I'm going to be doing a freshen up Friday of a couple of bits that I want to clean around the house. I do have my list. This is obviously inspired by Mrs. Hinch. I think this is a great idea to do whether it's on a Friday, a weekend, or whenever you have sort of a spare hour. It's good to just write a couple of jobs down, but don't pressure yourself if you can't get all of them done. Just do as much as you can, even 30 minutes. Sometimes I like to set a timer for 30 minutes and see how many things I can do. You'll actually be really surprised at how much you can do if you just focus on the tasks in hand. So I am going to start upstairs in the bathroom. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, the first thing on my list was to clean out the toothbrush holder. Here I'm using bicarb and white vinegar, and then I'm letting that soak. While that was soaking, I moved on to deep cleaning the sofa. Now I haven't done this since we moved house, and I thought it was about time since we've been here over a month now, and the sofa just needed a real good deep clean. So the way I do this is I just pull out all of the cushions and I work my way around the sofa, hoovering all in the nooks and crannies, and then taking, I'm not sure what this attachment's called, but I use this on the bed. I will let you know in the description bar what exactly it is. I'm sure it comes as part of the Dyson, but the flat one, not the one I'm using now, but this one. This is great for fabrics. It just picks up everything nicely. It kind of brushes the fabric as you go along, and then I'm just going in with the pointy attachment to, like I said, get in all the nooks and crannies. Once I had put the sofa back together, I wanted to give it a quick spray of this Fabulosa foam freshener in Gold Touch. I love this scent. For the sink, I wanted to give this a little bit of a deep clean, so I thought I would try out the elbow grease on the basin part. So I just used a minky to scrub this in, and then I went over with a last spray of the two basins and I let that soak while I went back upstairs to clean out my toothbrush holder. Now the sink had a couple of water stains on it, so that's why I wanted to give it a bit of a deep clean, and so did the shower screens in our ensuite bathroom. So I thought I would try out the pink stuff on these with a Dishmatic sponge, and you guys, this worked out really well. It got rid of all of the marks. I think we have quite hard water where we are, so we do get quite a build-up of water stains, I guess they're called, but just using this pink stuff teamed with the Dishmatic sponge worked an absolute treat. So definitely try it out if you have the same problem. Finally, I went back to the kitchen sink and finished off there. Here I'm using a toothbrush just to get in all the hard to reach areas, and then I gave everything another good scrub down. To clean all the grooves on the draining part of the sink, I used some white vinegar team with the toothbrush to scrub that all down, and then I rinsed everything off and gave it a good dry using the yellow Spontex cloth from the kitchen kit. And then for the tap, you guys know I love the green minky cloth, it's called the M cloth. And if you guys ever want to know any of my cleaning favorites, I have them all in one place over on my Amazon shop, and I'm pretty sure the folder is called cleaning favorites, but I will have it linked down below anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this Freshen Up Friday, and it gives you some motivation for whenever you need it. Give this video a big thumbs up if it did, and also let me know in the comments down below what kind of cleaning videos you want to see next. I will be doing a weekly cleaning video, like an updated one in this new house, to share with you guys soon. I'm still just testing it out, but it should be up within the next month. And I hope you're all having a great day or evening or whatever you're doing, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!